If you don't love vinaigrettes, I get it. I didn't always love them either. My first love was this creamy ranch dressing, and I think you're gonna love it too. Today, I'm using my ranch dressing on a bacon and egg salad. Yep, you betcha. Let's go do this. Yeah, I use equal parts buttermilk, mayo, and sour cream for the perfect creamy texture with just a little bit of tang. A 1/4 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup mayo, and a 1/4 cup sour cream. 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, or if you want some real flavor, use pickle brine. Yep, pickle juice. So 1/2 tablespoon of pickle brine or pickle juice, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder. And now my favorite part, the fresh herbs. They just add such great flavor. I like using a combination of dill, parsley, and green onions or chives, whatever I have available. If you don't have fresh, you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of each of these. Now, when I'm using fresh, I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons all together. I don't really measure. I just do a little bit of this, pepper, and salt. Stir or shake, whichever you prefer. Let's give it a taste test. It's going to be amazing. Bacon and egg salad with creamy ranch dressing.